If your heavy old iron takes forever just to remove a wrinkle and you're stuck in one place with a short cord, then you'll love the all-new QuickPress Ironlite, the fast and easy way to iron out stubborn creases without all the elbow grease. It's not just a powerful corded iron, flick the switch and turn Ironlite into a cordless steamer to freshen up your dresses and jackets while they hang. With Ironlite's exclusive ceramide sole plate, there's no more sticky bottoms, so you can safely iron over almost anything for clean, crisp results. The secret's in the lock and dock station and supercharged internal heating unit. With premium Insta-Heat design, it's hot and ready to go in only 30 seconds. Ironlite stays hot for truly impressive corded performance. Release it from the base and now you have a lightweight cordless iron that will hold the heat for up to 2 minutes. Ironlite's powerful steam burst is so strong it can even blow out 2 rows of candles.
It's really light. This does 2 jobs in one. I can steam, I can put it down, I can go and walk around with it. It's fantastic.
This would make me want to iron more. I can't believe I'm saying that.
With all the power of a corded iron and all the convenience of a cordless, QuickPress Ironlite is truly 2 irons in one.